welcome to another style. This style is great. You can use it for prom, which is coming up for many young girls, and you can also do it just for, any sort of event that you have that you want to do a little differently. So this is what it looks like finished, and I'm going to show you today how to do it. So let me just take it out. For this style, you will need a few bobby pins and also a elastic hair tie. So let me just take this apart here. Give me one moment. Okay. So I used 3 bobby pins, but depending on how much hair you have, how long it is, etc., you may use more or less. So you want to gather your hair into a low ponytail, and then take your hair tie. I've got these clear ones, these clear little elastic ones you can find in stores. And then you just want to kind of loop your hair in. You don't want to pull it all the way through. You just want to get a nice loop here. Okay. And then you just want to take your tails. So the loop part of your hair can be a little bigger or smaller depending on how long your hair is. If your hair is really long, you can make it stick out a little further because you just want to make sure you have enough hair to kind of wrap around it so you don't see the hair tie. And then on the bottom, you just want to pin that hair that you just wrapped around into the other hair. That way, it will stay. And sometimes, like here, you can see the ends here. You can also pin those. Just kind of take them under and tuck the bobby pin in here. Sometimes it'll kind of come out. You have to adjust. So we have that. You can kind of fan this out. Make sure that bobby pin is tucked in there. Fan this out. And then I like to just kind of dress it up here with a little something. This doesn't actually keep it in its position, but it does add a little bit more of a style. You can do something like that, or if you like, you can do another different clip. Here, I'll use a smaller one here. Something like this one that has some little dangles to really kind of make it pop. Alright. And I actually have a name for this style. I guess it's like a tucked through ponytail, I'm going to call it. So that is how to do the tucked through ponytail. And I'll put this in here again. And thank you all for watching. And remember, you can always find a link to get anything that you see here, well, any of the clips that you see here at my Lila Rose shop. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.